YouTube, y'all know what this is. This is Swampa once again. Listen, we are not fishing today, we're not hunting today, we are not cooking today, but we are outside. Today, we are doing an event with on-demand pressure washing David and Jackie. Listen, I want to show y'all something. They working, and I mean they working hard, y'all. So look, they doing what they do. They actually taking my truck that I just got. No work has been done to it, but they putting the work in on it, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna show y'all some great footage today on this restoration of this 94 Chevrolet. Y'all stay with us. All right, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Look at that. I'm talking about shining. I know y'all can see me in the truck. I ain't got to show myself on camera. Y'all can see me in the truck. She's shining, baby. Look, y'all see what I'm talking about? Oh yeah. So look, ain't no sense of playing with it. Let me show y'all the proprietor of on-demand pressure washing. It's my man David right here. If y'all want y'all stuff to be right, want y'all stuff to be tight, y'all come see David. David, what's the name of your business, brother?
On-demand pressure washing, ODP.
On-demand pressure washing.
Yes,
y'all and look, ODP will get you OMG, baby. Y'all remember that. So look, David, you want to give me your number, brother?
469-260-1318.
Y'all
24/7.
Y'all call him up. He'll come take care of you. Look, at your home, at your business, at your pleasure, whatever, at the restaurant, whatever you want to do, he got you, y'all.
3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. We don't even care.
He got you. Just let him know in the DFW he coming, y'all. He coming to y'all. So I just want y'all to see this truck one more time. I mean, look, this is a 94 with original paint, y'all. He knew what to do with it. He said, look, I'm not gonna put no harsh chemicals on your stuff because that's a classic. So guess what? I appreciate him taking care of me, and he got me right, y'all. He got me right. So look, y'all make sure y'all come see him. And y'all see Miss LayC up in there. She chilling. She ready to ride. Low rider. Y'all see it? So look, she ready to ride now, y'all. So guess what? We gonna get it going. I just appreciate y'all supporting businesses. And you know what? These are good people. Y'all check them out. Y'all know what this is. This is David. This is Swampa. This is Featherston Family Outdoors. Y'all take care of yours.